If you have undermount drawers like this one here, there's a plastic receiver and the metal slides, and they're supposed to close softly like that, but sometimes when you push it, it doesn't go. It looks like it's broken. And the reason is this plastic receiver, it didn't receive the slide underneath. What you need to do is drive the slide manually and catch this latch here, and then it will work again. So here's what you need to do. Just drive the slide until it catches with this plastic latch here. And it's good to go.